What is up, guys? In today's video is just a quick one. I'm just quickly replacing the diff oil on my truck, and just quickly showing you. This is just pretty straightforward. Just going to crack two 24 bolts. So one up top where it's the filling nut, and the drain bolt. And before you start draining it, make sure to crack out the filling bolt. The reason for that is because if you crack the drain plug and you can't undo the filling bolt, then you're a bit of a mission. And once you crack that one up, once it's drained out, just put it back in, and then just fill it up where it'll start dripping out, and then you're all good to go. At the same time, I'm using this axle limited slip for the Prado. So on the KZJ website is the one recommended for it. So hey guys, so it will be the same on the transfer case. This is the fill plug and this is the drain plug, and same procedure. Start off by cracking your fill plug, then your drain bolt, and yeah, so you have, make sure you can fill it up. There you go, filthy. So I almost forgot to mention to you guys, make sure to clean out your drain bung. So it has a magnet. So this is from the drain bung. You could see it has some metal filings from wear and tear, but yeah, it is doing its job, and that's, for me, it's clean. And just a quick reference, this is the old differential fluid, and this is the new one. So yeah, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, at the same time hit the subscribe button. Well, until next time guys, see ya.